Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want your GameSir G7 Pro to perform at its best, keeping the controller updated is an important part of regular maintenance. Firmware updates can improve compatibility, add new features, and help resolve issues that may affect gameplay. Since the update process is completed through the GameSir software, making sure everything is connected properly can help avoid interruptions. Fortunately, updating the GameSir G7 Pro is a straightforward process and only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple steps to update your GameSir G7 Pro safely and successfully. Try these. Step 1. Turn on the device that will be used to update the GameSir G7 Pro. Step 2. Launch the GameSir software associated with the GameSir G7 Pro. Step 3. Connect the GameSir G7 Pro using the recommended connection method. Step 4. Check whether a new firmware version is available for the GameSir G7 Pro. Step 5. Start the update process for the GameSir G7 Pro and wait for it to finish. Step 6. Restart the GameSir G7 Pro and verify that the update was completed successfully.